Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be doing a get it all done. It is a Sunday and we strip the beds on Sundays, so we need to wash all of the sheets and blankets and all of that. We need to do some meal prepping. The kids are currently doing their chores. So we are just kind of doing everything. There's a bunch of laundry to do. I have a load of laundry in the dryer. I have a load of laundry over here that's folded that I was too lazy to put away last night. We're gonna have to clean up the kitchen after all of the meal prep, so we're just going to get it all done. So I hope you guys enjoy these videos. If you like cleaning and motherhood videos and organizing videos, I hope you hit that subscribe button and let's get started. What are you doing?
Cleaning the baseboard.
Cleaning the baseboards? You doing a good job?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna go get the laundry started, okay?
Okie dokie.
So now that I have the sheets going and all of that, that's obviously I'm gonna have to keep doing that all day long, and we have other laundry, but I just did it. I forgot, but I have another load that you can do, okay? And you can do in the dryer, and I have another load to go in the washing machine too. They always wanna press the buttons to put the laundry in, sorry. But I just wanted to tell you guys, if you have any questions on like the kids' chores in the system on how we do things, I do have a video on that, so I will link it right up here for you guys. But the kids do earn an allowance and all of that. There's a bunch of chores that they have to do just because they are a member of this household and they have to help out, but they also have extra chores that they do every week that they get paid for, and there's a whole system with family tax and savings and the whole bit. So I will leave that right up here if you guys are interested. So I am going to go get started on my pasta sauce. We're gonna be making some turkey taco bowls. We're gonna be washing our produce and just meal prepping some stuff. Oh, that looks so clean. You are the best. Layton, tell me about your chores. Do you get allowance?
Yeah.
What do you get for an allowance?
Money.
We are starting with spaghetti sauce. I am making just a big quart of it because I don't have any. I usually make a big batch when I do make it to keep it in the freezer. So I have my big stock pot. I have a bunch of chopped onion and some minced garlic. I'm just going to let that cook for a little bit before I add my ground beef.
I wanna toxic. Somehow you're fine with it, even when I'm chaotic. You see the shade in the cold, it's just my bad temper. What am I supposed to do? When the flames going high with my bad patience, I hate it always falls on you. But you know it's not about our love fading. You know it's not about, yeah. You know it's not about our love ending. You know it's not about, it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You see the shade in the cold, it's just my bad temper. What am I supposed to do? When the flames going high with my bad patience, I hate it always falls on you. But you know it's not about our love fading. You know it's not about, yeah. You know it's not about our love ending. You know it's not about, it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep, and you worn out
so my meal prepping is just about done. I still have to make some chicken, but for right now I am going to take a pause. I have the turkey taco bowls made. I have a cup of veggies just ready to go for my snacks. And I measured everything out with the 21-day fix little cups. I made some mason jar salads. I have to make some more chicken, and then I'll make some more salads. And I'm also going to make some dressing as well. And then I just washed all of my lettuce, and I have it in an airtight container with a paper towel under there just to absorb the moisture, which I don't generally do that, and I don't generally use paper towels, as you all know, but if I am going to wash a bunch of my lettuce, I will use a paper towel just at the bottom so it doesn't get slimy, and it just kind of makes it last a little bit longer. But I'm gonna get all of these put away, and then I have to tackle all of this and put all of this away. I still have my sauce going, and it smells amazing. And then I'm going to make some chicken, some grilled chicken. I'm gonna make it on the stove, but I'm just gonna make some plain like grilled chicken, and I'm also gonna make some crispy chicken for chicken parm. We're gonna have chicken parm with my sauce, and we are going to have it with a side of broccoli.
You say all the right things when I'm hurting. You always pick me up when I am down. It's like you have a spark that leaves me burning. Yeah, you just have your ways to get me high. You make all my dreams come true. It feels right when I'm around you. We could break up and then make up. I always come back to you. You move me in a way never thought anyone could. You get me high. You're my drug when I am feeling blue. Yeah, it's all you. 'Cause you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, the one. You touch me in a way that makes me shiver. Sometimes I can't believe that you are mine. Love's a gun and baby, you're my trigger. You kiss me in a way that gets me high. You make all my dreams come true. It feels right just being around you. We could break up and then make up. I always come back to you. You move me in a way never thought anyone could. You get me high. You're my drug when I am feeling blue. Yeah, it's all you. 'Cause you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one, babe. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, you're the one, babe. Yeah, you're the one.
All right, so now that all of the beds are made, so the laundry is done, the kitchen's cleaned up, we did the dishwasher, we meal prepped, we kind of did it all. We just came inside, that's why I probably look a little red. I just came inside, the kids were riding their bikes, we took the dog for a walk. And now I'm gonna go sit and edit for the rest of the day. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you hit subscribe. I have a ton of cleaning, spring cleaning, organizing, and just decluttering videos coming your way. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and also the little notification bell so you are alerted when I upload. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!